Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is 31st of August 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Australia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 karat gold without VAT or the GST is 80.38 and with VAT is 88.42. For 22 karat gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 73.79 and with VAT is 81.17. 21 karat gold without GST or the VAT is 70.33 and with the VAT is 77.36. 18 karat gold without tax is 60.28 and with tax is 66.31. 14 karat gold without tax is 47.02 and with tax is 51.72. 10 karat gold without VAT or the tax is 33.52 and with the tax is 36.87. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold without tax is 20.09 and with tax is 22.10. Remember that the VAT rate or the GST in Australia is 10% out of 100. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.